Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark theme on Tradingview. Really easy and simple. So first things first, of course, you're going to open up the Tradingview app. And then what you're going to do, guys, at the top right, okay? For example, you'll be on this home page. At the top right, what you're going to do is click on settings. So to access that, you're going to click here menu. Now under menu, you want to click on this settings cog at the top right. And you'll see this option right here at the top that says theme. So I'm going to click on this and you can change this from either the light theme to dark theme or the system theme, okay? So I'm going to click on dark theme and it is going to switch to dark mode. As you can see, now I can go scroll through the app and do a bunch of stuff. Everything will be on a dark mode. Really that easy and simple, guys. If you want to switch it back, you can of course choose system theme or light mode. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.